Hi Wildkits, in this video we'll be going over the problem shown on the screen talking about altitudes of triangles. So the problem reads, find the measures of all the angles you can if the measure of angle CAB is 84 and AD is an altitude of the triangle. Okay, so let's go ahead and label our diagram with some known information. So let's see. They tell us that the measure of CAB is 84, so that's this whole angle. So that whole angle measures 84 degrees. And they also tell us that AD is an altitude of the triangle. And so since we learned that altitudes are perpendicular to the side that they are intersecting, I can go ahead and put a red box right there. So remember, if they are perpendicular, then they create 90-degree angles. That tells me that this angle right here measures 90 degrees. And then what we can do is focus in on, oh, whoops, I wanted the highlighter. Then what we can do is focus in on the yellow triangle that I've highlighted right here and use what I know about triangles to figure out those other missing angles. So I know that angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So what I can do is I can do 42 plus 90, and that gets me 132. And then what I'm going to do is 180, because all the angles of a triangle add up to 180. So 180 minus 132, and that gets me 48. So that tells me then that this angle, the measure of angle CAD, is 48 degrees. So this right here, this is 48 degrees. Then I can just use subtraction to figure out what the other side of that angle is. So we can do 84 minus 48. And that tells me then that this angle right here, this measures 36 degrees. Okay. Then we can figure out the measure of angle B, because I also know that this angle right here is 90 degrees. And so we can do 90 plus 36. So 90 plus 36, and that gets us 126. And then we can do 180 minus 126, and that'll get us 54 degrees. So the measure of angle B is 54 degrees. And I've gone ahead and figured out all of the angles in this diagram. Thanks for watching. If you need to, pause or rewind and rewatch any parts that you may need to in order to get all the notes that you need.